Hello, if you could subscribe or like this video or leave a comment, I'd appreciate very much. Thank you very much for watching. So we have a little mini digger timber grab here. So a claws would go inside there and a ram there. So these are bent. There was only a bolt in there, both of them bent a bit. So we're putting heavy plate around it now, weld it up and drill it down through bigger size for a bigger bolt then. Old bolt had stretched and all and bent, so making stronger overall then. So I'll weld in there right round them in. And when we'll there's holes in them already, then drill through them in. Okay, that's it really. I don't know what happened this time. I've lost the sound again. I must have pressed the wrong button. But I've fully welded this plate now, right round it, and took it down now to drill. Well, I've drilled it already. Drilled it now. So use the big bit in the top first to mark the middle, then use different sizes, and then drilled a bigger hole right through the top original and the bottom plate then. And here's the bigger bolt here now, a new one. And here's the timber grab itself, so it's quite handy. It actually unbolted from the piece itself, and so a bit less bulky then. So here's the little grab. I put one side on, but left the over off, so we're gonna actually get the bolt. So see a hole here. So drill through this bigger, drill through new plate, and did the same other side line up there. So need to get some washers, or washers, what you call them. Don't have ones this size in, so yeah, a bit on stuff. Just needs washers. Got a nylock nut then, so right then. So these plates, well, this bolt is just nipped up, sort of, not really nipped up, but say tightened up and slackened off a bit. So it's going to twist on a bolt here. The old plate, two plates here, they had actually bent, sort of warped where the bolt is, and the old bolt had bent and also plated over it, so it's basically double the thickness now, both of them. So it shouldn't, give now. So we say we're flat like that, but they pulled up where the hole was, so it should be a lot more stiff now. So weld those up right round, drill through, bigger bolt and all, so it should be stronger now. It's a little timber grab of a little mini digger, and these aren't actually attached. Well, only the hinges were attached. The ram is attached to the actual arms. Quite a different, well, I'm not used to timber stuff, but quite a different thing. You'd think the ram would be on the frame somewhere, But, that's probably how we get away with only one ram, really. So, yeah, that's it. I'll put that finish off. Let's see my welds there. So to finish off here, just get that done, stunning. Well, need to put this back then, but won't be long to get that tighten right up. So that's it really. Thank you for watching, and goodbye from me for now then. Just what I'd say here. I was using, I think it's 5% CO2, argon CO2 mix the gas, and then it's 1mm solid wire in a 250 amp MIG I was using, and to weld that. So if you're interested, there's some serious price and stuff. And I saw with John Deere, they've gone sort of like a Massey now, innit? Like a 54-45, slope nose, or 43, was it 43-45 there? We've gone like the slope on it of John Deere's now. Just for they say that. But whew, some price of them anyway. I would think, a second hand and only 4-year-old. But yeah, it was interesting anyway. Thank you for watching.